Do you ever have a lot of overripe bananas hanging around? Do you like cookies? I know I do. Something you can do with 3 overripe bananas is make a banana peanut butter cookie. All you need are 3 overripe bananas. Overripe means the banana is no longer yellow, it starts to brown and it's very squishy. Some oatmeal and some peanut butter. And if you have something extra, you can also add honey, Nutella, and chocolate chips. In this short video, I will be showing you how to make 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Step 1, you should thoroughly wash your hands for 20 seconds. Step 2, peel your overripe bananas into a bowl and smash thoroughly with a fork. Now our 3 bananas are properly smashed with a fork. And the reason why you want to use overripe bananas is because they get nice and smushy. The next step is to add 2 cups of oatmeal. Plain oatmeal is the best. Then make sure to thoroughly mix your oatmeal into your banana. Next, we need a half a cup of peanut butter. Now, to help prevent the peanut butter from being too sticky and almost impossible to get out of the measuring cup, I spray the measuring cup with some cooking spray, and I spray whatever I'm using, whether it be a spatula, a spoon, with the non-stick cooking spray so that it'll easily slide out. There, half a cup of peanut butter is ready. Put it into the mixture, and as you can see, the cup is sprayed with cooking oil, so it should be easy to slide out. Yes, and there we are. Our peanut butter came out virtually clean. Wow. So now mix your overripe bananas, your oatmeal, and your peanut butter together. And remember, optional ingredients include honey, Nutella, chocolate chips, raisins, cranberries, sliced nuts. Anything you might have around the house, those are optional. If you don't have these items, they can be easily found at the 99-cent store or any other grocery store. And here's what it should look like all mixed up. This is bananas, oatmeal, and some peanut butter. And the optional ingredient I will add today is some honey. You can do a tablespoon of honey, or you can just eyeball it.
Wow.
And here's what the ingredients look like with the added optional ingredient of chocolate chips. Finally, you want to get a baking sheet. I like to line mine with aluminum foil and spray it with that cooking spray you saw earlier. Put it in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Preheated means you turn the oven on for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you put the food in. And you want to use either your regular old kitchen tablespoon, or if you have a measuring spoon, that works too. We're going to scoop up and plop down onto your baking tray. I like to use a heaping tablespoon full of the ingredients. So here it is before baking. We're gonna put it in the oven and set a timer for 15 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like after. While your 3-ingredient peanut butter oatmeal banana cookies are baking in the oven for 15 minutes, a good step to do right now is it'll probably only take you 15 minutes to wash the dishes you had to use in order to make those cookies. The dishes have been washed, and we still have about 10 minutes more to go. Yay, that means our cookies are done. Let's turn off the fire. Safety first.
Ta-da!
So here's the finished product. 3-ingredient peanut butter banana oatmeal cookies. After they've been baked at 350 for 15 minutes, you want to let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, and they're ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PALS channel.